Hi my tuber family, welcome back to your girl channel. Today we are here with another video, and before we jump into that video, welcome back to everyone who is starting this journey with me. And if you're new, feel welcome. Today we are here to uncover the sea moss, right, that we wash and we soak for 12 hours. So we are about to see what it looks like after 12 hours, and we're also going to prepare it for use. So stay tuned. So as you know, we soak the sea moss for all of 12 hours, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after soaking it. So guys, this is my jar that I'm going to use to place it in, but let me bring this a little closer. So this is how it looks. I hope you can see it clearly. This is it. This is the purple one. Okay, you have the purple and I think the whitish color one. I don't know what color they call it, but this is the purple one. Some people claim this is really the better one. I don't know. This is my first time, incorporating it in my diet, so I don't know. I'm just telling you. Your girl keep everything real over here. There's no fake over here, right? So this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys. It expand, or it swell if you want to call it that, but it did. But I was expecting it to be bigger. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just greedy, but I was expecting it to be bigger. So let me show you what it was like before it was expanded. So this was what it looks like before I washed and soaked it. So you can look at it and you can see the vast difference. This is the soak one and this is the one that is not soaked. I'm sure you can see a big difference. So yes, it did become softer, and it also actually expand. And what I am going to do now, I am going to strain off this water and I am going to blend it, but I'm not wasting the water. I am sure Sister Aloe Vera will welcome this water. It's good for the plant. So I am going to pour the water onto my aloe vera so that my aloe vera can get all the minerals, and I will show you my aloe vera shortly if you want to see, that is. But yeah, I'm excited. So I have a jar here, I have a spatula, and I have my water, because you need water to blend it, and I don't want it to be too liquid and I don't want it to be too thick, right? But it is a sea moss gel, which means that it must be thick, right? So let's jump into it. I'll show you the process. So all of what I have here, I am going to put into my blender. I am excited. I hope you're excited for me. I am excited for myself. Yes, I am. And when you are blending, like I said, do not add too much liquid, right? Because if the more liquid you add, it will become liquefied, right? Is that a correct word? I think it is. So you don't want it to be, running basically. You want it to be a jelly. It's a gel, right? So it should look like a gel. So you want to take care of that, guys. I don't want to waste any. All these little small pieces must go, right? We don't want to waste anything. So there you have it. It's now in the blender. I have to dry my hands. All right, it's now in the blender. I am going to pour some water, and I am using bottled water because that's what I drink. So I'm using exactly what I drink, and I'm going to pour enough, not too much, but sufficient to not burn up my blender. And here we go. It's not a long process, so here we go. have it, our organic sea moss that comes from my beautiful island of Jamaica. So guys, you blend to the consistency that you desire, and I like my thing really smooth. And as I said, I have this jar. It's a jar that I purchased at the dollar store, one that can, you know, this kind of jar, and you can put it like this. Yes, but I wanted this one because I didn't know how much I would make on my first go, so I purchased a little bigger bottle than I probably need. So let me show you all what it looks like. As I show you guys, I'm so excited. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to make sure you can see my blender. So that is it. I am going to pour it into my jar. Guys, I didn't want it to be like too thick, because when I set it aside in the refrigerator, it is going to become thicker when it cools down. So yeah, there you have it. There you have it. Can you imagine this little thing? Oh my god, I'm excited. I am so excited. I hope you're excited for me starting, you know, a healthy journey. I'm really going to try, guys. I really want to try. Well, I tried eating healthy. Let me not say that. But I have a sweet tooth, so chocolate, yeah. And if you watch that video, that challenge, you will know I love chocolate. So that's one of my weaknesses, I think. So it's not a whole lot, like I said. Didn't know how much, but I don't mind, because I know it's gonna get thicker, and I don't like things flowing up. This is a big one though. But there you have it, and I'm gonna taste it. It's still warm because it's just blended. And let me show you the consistency. That's what it looks like. Like I said, I didn't want it too thick right now, and I didn't want it to be running, because I know that when you set it, it is going to be thick. Guys, I am going to take my first, is this a teaspoon? Yes, it is. I'm going to take this because I want to taste it, and I want to tell you what it tastes like. I know you can't see me because I am alone filming, so I have to do what I have to do, right? But let your girl taste it, let you see, or let you hear. So let me tell you, what does it taste like? It has no taste whatsoever. It doesn't have any taste, and you know, it comes from the sea. I think it tastes more like that, but there's no taste. Let's be honest, there's no taste. But because I soaked it in the lemon, there's a little lemon flavorish, like not much, and it's not that strong. Guys, there you have it. This is my sea moss, right? My sea moss gel. And yeah, I'm not gonna cover it because I need it to cool down in the refrigerator, and then I will cover it because it will become thicker at that point. What you can do, based on what I've seen someone done, you can use ginger water to blend your sea moss so you can have a ginger flavor. And guys, like I said earlier, let me get my thing into the sink so we can have some space here. So guys, as I said to you earlier, I am not going to waste the water from the water that came. You better say hi to Sister Oliveira. That's my plant. Say hi to my plant. Yeah, so guys, I'm not going to waste that water. What I will do, I will pour the water that the sea moss was soaked in. I'm going to pour a little onto my plant. I am sure she will do well with some of this mineral. So that is the next use that you can use for the water. So we don't, oh my god, I am wetting up this place. Woo! I don't want to wet up the place. So yeah, I don't put a lot of water on the aloe vera. What I will also do, guys, I am going to save some of the water for Sister Aloe Vera, and I will continue to put it on it. I heard it is really good for plants, and as such I am going to put it onto it and see what difference it make, you know, because I'm sure the plant will love the mineral, you know, the natural minerals. So yeah, that's what I will do. So guess what, I utilizes everything. Don't you see it? Yes, your girl make use of everything. So here you have it, guys. This is the how you prepare your sea moss for your everyday use, or for your smoothies, or whatever you want to put it in. And if you are not sure of the benefits and the uses of sea moss, check out this video in this corner. You know, I'm going to leave it there for you. Check out the video, check it out, guys. Go ahead and check it out. This is good stuff, right? This is good stuff. This is good for your health, so go ahead and check it out. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always being here with me. Thank you, I appreciate you all. Bye.